Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your California boater card in 3 simple steps. So if you want to drive a boat in California, you're going to need this card. So California law now requires all boat operators to have a California boater card. So here's a quick checklist to see if you need one. So are you a person? Are you going to operate a boat? Does that boat have a motor? If you answered yes to all 3, then you need a California boater card. So how do you get it? There are 2 main things that you need to do. So first, fill out an application and pay $10 to the state of California. Second, take a boat safety course and show proof that you completed it. You can also do these in any order, but both must be completed. So here's what I would recommend. So start with the boater safety course. It's easier to finish the course first, then submit your application once you have completion proof ready. So make sure the course that you choose is approved by the California Division of Boating and Waterways. So the course is 100% online and includes videos and interactive lessons to help you understand boating safety. At the end, you will get a proof of completion which you'll need for your application. Now let's get over a few important tips that can save you time and then stress. So first, most courses cost between $30 and $60. So this does not include the $10 fee that you pay to the state. Second, traditional boating courses are required to be at least 3 hours long. Some interactive courses remove the strict time requirement, but they still take about that long to complete. So don't fall for claims that say the course is super fast. Plan to spend a few hours on it. Third, make sure your course is approved by both California and NASBLA. If it's NASBLA approved, your certification is recognized in all states. Fourth, pick a course that offers live customer service. Sometimes the application process can be confusing, and it really helps to have support available if you need it. Getting your California boater card is very important because it shows you understand basic boating safety and state laws. It also keeps you legal on the water and helps prevent fines or delays when you're ready to go boating. So that's it. Follow these steps, complete your course, submit your application, and then you'll be ready to enjoy your time on the water. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.